Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Please keep watching if you want to see how I use the Curls Vegan Green Collection. I had the privilege to attend the Curls Ambassador Conference this year, and at the conference I got great education on this line, so I'm so excited to share with you guys what I learned. So when using this collection, you first want to start with the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. This cleanser, it gently cleanses the scalp and the hair, and it's fortified with sea kelp. A great thing about this cleanser, which is also the shampoo, is that it's also safe for color. After you finish shampooing with the cleanser, you then want to rinse that out and go in with the Sea Kelp and Cucumber Hair Mask. This is a maximum moisturizing conditioner. As you apply the mask, you also want to leave it in for about 15 minutes for maximum moisture. This mask stimulates hair growth and also repairs damaged strands. After you've allowed the mask to penetrate your hair, you then want to rinse it out thoroughly. Make sure everything is rinsed out as much as possible, and then go in with the green tea hair rinse, which is step 3. The green tea hair rinse seals in moisture and also creates shine. This rinse is also similar to an ACV rinse, so you must rinse this out. One great thing about this rinse is that you can also use it before shampooing if you have buildup that you need to get rid of. Okay, now it's time to style, and I'm going in with the bamboo protein treatment. Now, even though this is a treatment, believe it or not, it's a leave-in, so you can also use it as a styler. You can rinse it out if you just want to use it for the treatment benefits of thickening the hair from the root to the tip. Or you can leave it in, use it as a detangler in combination with any other styling products. I'm applying the treatment to different sections and then going back with my round tip bent brush and brushing that through each section along with clumping the curls. Now that the bamboo protein treatment is all throughout my hair, it's time to go in with the finishing styler, which is the Avocado Hair Mousse. This hair mousse is rich in fatty acids that moisturize, nourish, and strengthen your hair. The Avocado Hair Mousse is going to give you incredible definition with a light hold and a soft feel. So what I'm doing is applying the mousse to small sections and going in with my detangular brush to form the curl. The mousse is now evenly distributed all through my hair, and I'm going to let this air dry overnight. Less manipulation the better, so I'm not going to diffuse on this one. Here's the next morning, and you can see my curls have dried so well. They're really nice and formed and juicy, so now it's time to go in and separate the curls. Now I'm going to fluff my curls with my hair pick so I can have maximum volume. And here are the final results. As you guys can tell, I was absolutely blown away at how full and soft and defined my curls were on day 1. Normally I don't see this till day 5. So if you want to try the Curls Green Vegan Collection, please stop by your local Target. Thanks for watching.